A very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So, we're back with our English class. And as you remember, in the last class, we had started with the chapter number 8, that is Sona and her magic shoes. So, in that video, we had started with the glossary part. That is your meanings. Okay? So, now we will continue with the meanings part. So, this is your meanings part. Take out your textbook, children, and we will start with the explanation. Okay? Now, what is it? Notices. What is it? Notices. To notice something means to see it. Okay? See, read the sentence. If the teacher notices the torn cover, she will be very angry. Once again, if the teacher notices the torn cover, that means I think in this sentence they are talking about a notebook which is covered, but that cover is torn. Okay? वो जो cover है वो थोड़ा सा torn है, थोड़ा सा फटा हुआ है. So what they have said कि अगर teacher ने notice किया that cover torn है, so she will be very angry. So the meaning of notice is to see. Okay? Next one. Offers. What is it? Offers. Meaning gives. To offer means to give something. Okay? The monitor of the class always offers her help to the students who are absent because of illness. To offer something means to give something. Now in this, what they have said that the monitor of the class, okay, the class leader, what she does is she always helps people, always helps the students who are absent. That means if they are absent, they have missed whatever we have studied. Okay, so what does the monitor do? It helps them. That is the absence. So she always offers her help. Pair. What is pair? A set of two things. A set of two things is known as pair. Okay, a pair of socks, as we say. A pair of gloves is kept in my cupboard. Okay, now see, whenever we purchase gloves, we purchase what? Gloves. So what we do? We purchase it in pair. हम एक ग्लव्स नहीं खरीदते. We purchase a pair. Similarly, if we talk about the shoes, so pair of shoes. We never purchase one shoe. We always purchase two. Okay? So pair means a set of two things. Please. To make somebody happy. किसी को खुश करना means to please someone. She wanted to please her mother. So she helped her to clean the house. वो अपनी मम्मी को खुश करना चाहती थी. She wanted to make her happy. So what she did? She cleaned the house. Puts on. Now this is a phrase. What is the meaning of it? Starts wearing something. Puts on means what? To start wearing something. Now let's read the sentence. As soon as Nina sees grey clouds, she puts on her raincoat. What did she do? She puts on her raincoat. That means, जैसे ही मीना ने देखा, it's what? There are clouds in the sky. So what she did? She puts on her raincoat. Okay, यानी कि उसने अपना raincoat पहन लिया. Now puts on was over. Realize. What is the meaning of realize? To understand clearly. किसी चीज को समझना, किसी सिचुएशन को क्लियरली समझना। सेंटेंस, इफ यू डोंट रियलाइज योर मिस्टेक, हाउ विल यू करेक्ट इट? इट्स ट्रू, राइट? अगर हमें हमारी मिस्टेक रियलाइज नहीं होगी, अच्छे से समझ में नहीं आएगा, so how will we correct it? So first we need to realize our mistake and then only we can correct it. So realize means to understand clearly. Returning. What is the meaning of returning? Coming or going back. Returning means coming या फिर वापस आना. Coming means आना या फिर जाके वापस आना. So it's the meaning of return. When we were returning from the picnic, I slept in the car. जब हम पिकनिक से रिटर्न हो रहे थे तब मैं कार में सो गए. Return means what? Either coming or going back. आना या फिर वापस जाना. Okay? Returning. I am returning to my home. After school, what we do? We return to our home. हम वापस से अपने घर वापस जाते हैं. Okay? Sets off. Again a phrase. Begins a journey. What is the meaning of sets off? To begin a journey. She sets off for her dance class at 3 p.m. every day. That means she begins the journey for her dance class. Okay? To go to the dance class, she begins her journey at 3 p.m. every day. Okay? So this is what the meaning of sets off it. And it is what? It is a phrase. Surprised. What is the meaning of surprised? To find out suddenly. All of a sudden when we find out something, we are surprised. I was surprised when I heard that Meeta had left for Mumbai. So why was she surprised? When she heard that Meeta had left from Mumbai. Now see, हो सकता है that this person, I, who is describing us, उसे नहीं पता होगा कि Meeta is going to Mumbai. So जैसे ही उसे पता चला, all of a sudden she got surprised. Okay, surprise means to find out suddenly. Torn to pieces. Torn to pieces. Now this is also a phrase. To pull into small pieces. यानी छोटे-छोटे pieces में हो जाना. My scarf was caught in the fence and was torn to pieces when I pulled it. That means that sometimes you know what happens when we have a dupatta or a scarf, and what happens is that it gets stuck. Okay, वो क्या हो जाता है? Stuck हो जाता है. So what is it? Because of that, it gets torn into pieces. Okay, so उसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि वो फट जाता है. It gets torn into pieces. So this is the word that is torn to pieces, to pull into small pieces. And the last one, wonder. Now what is the meaning of wonder? Feeling of surprise at seeing something beautiful. Sometimes when we see something very beautiful, what we happen? We feel surprised. We feel how wonderful it is. Right? Sentence. I looked at the baby bird in wonder as I had never seen it before. So, what happened? I looked at the baby bird in wonder. Now this person, they saw the baby bird, यानी कि bird का छोटा बच्चा देखा, and he was wondering how beautiful, how cute it looks, right? Why? Because she's looking for the first time. उसने पहली बार देखा, and so how was the reaction? He was surprised. Okay? Wonder means feeling of surprise at seeing something beautiful. Is it clear, students? So with this we have completed the glossary part, and I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next video we will start with the story. So till that, God bless you all. Goodbye.